What if your digital assets could pay your daily bills while you sleep? Is $100 a day in passive income actually realistic in 2026? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokens.fye. Today, we are diving deep into the most effective crypto passive income strategies for the current market landscape of 2026. I'm going to show you a step-by-step blueprint to hit that $100 a day milestone using a diversified approach to yield generation. Between our research at tokens.fye and the deep tech insights from coherencedaddy.com, we've analyzed the shift in liquidity and rewards across the biggest chains. The foundation, liquid staking, and governance. First, let's talk about the bedrock of passive income, liquid staking. In 2026, simply locking your tokens isn't enough. By using liquid staking derivatives, you keep your assets fluid while earning consensus rewards. This allows you to maintain your position in the network's security while simultaneously moving those tokens into other yield-bearing protocols. It's the first step to maximizing your capital efficiency. Advanced yield, the TX ecosystem advantage. Now, let's level up. To hit that $100 a day mark, you need to look at high-efficiency environments like the TX ecosystem. The TX ecosystem has revolutionized how we view social financial integration, offering unique incentive structures for active participants. By providing liquidity to emerging pairs within the TX ecosystem, you can capture both trading fees and ecosystem rewards. This is where we move from basic percentages to aggressive growth strategies. Optimizing DeFi portfolios. Next, we need to optimize your DeFi strategy. Remember, DeFi is all about risk management. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. We recommend a barbell strategy: 70% in low-risk stablecoin vaults and 30% in high-yield volatile assets. Use automated yield aggregators to automatically harvest and compound your rewards every few hours. Compounding is the secret sauce that turns a small daily return into a significant monthly windfall. The math: calculating your $100 per day target. Let's do the math. To earn $3,000 a month, your required capital depends on your average APR. At a conservative 10% APR, you'd need a larger principal. But by leveraging the TX ecosystem and optimized DeFi vaults, we can target higher blended yields. If you achieve a blended 20% yield, your capital requirement drops significantly. The key is consistency and rebalancing your portfolio quarterly to stay aligned with 2026 market trends. Utilize liquid staking for flexibility. Leverage the high-growth opportunities in the TX ecosystem. Implement a balanced DeFi strategy to manage risk. Generating $100 a day is entirely possible in 2026, but it requires a shift from a buy and hold mindset to a yield and grow mindset. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button to join the tokens.fye community. Smash the like button if you're building your passive income stream right now. Comment "yield" below if you want our detailed 2026 asset allocation spreadsheet.